Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome along to our Sheetify CRM channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through this simple 3-step process of setting up your Sheetify toolkit. This is for those that have purchased our Sheetify CRM or Bookkeeping Toolkit. Once you've purchased a Sheetify toolkit, you'll see the option to download this PDF guide. Then to access the template, simply navigate down here and click on Get Template. And that's going to take you to this Google Drive folder, and you'll have access to our most recent Sheetify toolkits. Depending on your date preference, you can either choose the date formatting with month, day, year, or day, month, year. These are the two English versions, and then we have a Spanish version here. I want to use the day, month, year format. Then simply navigate up to these 3 dots, and we can either click Make a Copy here, or you can simply open up the template first, and you'll land on this quick start guide for your Sheetify toolkit. Then navigate up to File, Make a Copy, change the name if you like. This is because you're creating a copy of this Google Sheets template yourself. Then navigate down to Folder, and you want to make sure that you're adding this toolkit to a folder inside your Google Drive. We need to change this. And here's a folder I created earlier, Sam's Roofing. Go ahead, choose the folder you want to add your toolkit to, and then come down and make a copy. Then give your Sheetify toolkit a moment to load the Sheetify menu. This can take a few seconds the very first time that you download and open up this toolkit. If it doesn't load, go ahead and reopen this Sheetify toolkit. Again, this only happens the very first time that you access this template. Now all we need to do is authorize our Google account. That's going to give you full access to all the tools and features that our Sheetify toolkits provide. To do that, navigate over to Sheetify, then locate Set up Sheetify and Set Authorization. Click on OK, click on the Google account that you're using. Then if you see this notification, simply navigate over to Advanced and click on Go to Sheetify CRM. Now don't worry, the reason that we do this is so that you have a complete copy of this Sheetify toolkit for yourself. This is your very own version that no one else has access to. Then navigate down and click on Allow. And just like that, you have authorized. Also, make sure you navigate up to File, then come down to Settings, then simply change your locale to the correct country, as well as the time zone, and then click on Save and Reload. Inside the Google Sheets CRM, the next thing that you want to do is navigate across to Settings and simply configure your settings by adding your own details in here. If you're using our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit, then similar to our Sheetify CRM, all you need to do is head over to the Setup tab and configure your settings. If you're yet to watch any of our Sheetify Toolkit tutorials, I will add them down below in the description to help you learn and understand how to use Sheetify and get the most out of our Sheetify CRM and Bookkeeping Toolkits. I'll also add other additional resources and helpful videos that you can take advantage of. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this complete setup tutorial for our Sheetify Toolkits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care.